video, I'm going to show you how to make your own data card / dope card for your rifle. What you need for this are a couple 2x3 PVC ID cards, some Velcro, your choice of round or oval tabs, or a strip, some alcohol white pads, and some really good stained clear permanent markers. These markers are imported from Germany. They work really well, and I'll show you the reason why here in a minute. So what you want to do is you want to take your 2x3 card. They're both white on the same side. You want to take the soft side of your Velcro and put it on the desired area. So we're going to put this one smack dab in the middle, because we're going to use this dope card on my competition rifle for competitions to come. So let it sit on there, let it adhesive, give it at least a good couple hours. But you could probably use it right away and it wouldn't have a problem. Now that you have the dope card here, now it's ready to use. As you can see, sticks to Velcro without a problem. Nice thing about these is you can take a marker right on it, and right away pretty much dries. So move this stuff around. So as you saw, use the red. Take one of your alcohol swabs this way if you want to. Okay, put it around the card. Wipes off instantly. Alcohol pretty much dries within seconds, and then that dope card is good to go. See, what I like doing is marking what stage I have my dope card set up. So I'll have a couple of these set up for different stages. So this, now you just go here, ready stage, on it again, and you can go, okay, so we're on 208 yards, set up, and that's 0.8 mils. So that way I know this is good to go for that stage. And then the alcohol white pad again, just erase it right off. Well guys, I hope this works out for you as well as it did for me. I'll catch you on the next video.